What the heck? Literally? Okay, I'm counting, right? Look, just counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? I'm not even playing. There's literally a $20 bill.
Well, you already said it.
Looking nice, looking nice. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are hitting up some more vending machine locations. It is almost Christmas break. That means, well, that means I'm not making any money. So today or tomorrow is probably going to be my last time collecting from the machines until we get back from Christmas break. It is January, like the first week in January sometime, which is a long time. It's like 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to stock up the machines a little bit with just chips probably. Not buy a whole lot of product because I don't want it to expire. I'm not going to buy any pastries. Probably not even going to really buy any chocolate, but I've got about a pretty good amount of locations to hit up today. So hopefully we can hit them up, collect the money, and make everyone happy before the holidays. So, heading to the first location right now. It's been about a little over 2 weeks since I went to this one last. These are all pretty much going to be 2-week collections. Like I said, Christmas break's coming up, so I'm going to have to figure out something else to post in the meantime. I'm not really sure what to post. If you guys have anything in mind, comment them down below and I'll try and make a video on it if I can. Or maybe I'll just go live stream some of the days. I can't film going into locations if they're closed, unfortunately. So you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. Thanks ahead of time. Heading to the first location now. See how it does. Alright, so as you can see, location 1 didn't do too great, but I just got to location 2. See how she does. Alright, so I'm leaving location number 2 right now. A 2-week collection, probably about maybe $30–40 in there. Heading to location number 3. This is a 1-week collection. Yeah, hopefully it does good. Alright, that one did alright for a week. Pretty nice stackaroo. On to location 4. Alright, I didn't film in there, but here's what it did. On to location number 5. Alright, so location number 5 I just left. I didn't film in there. That's always a slow location, so maybe it did 30 bucks. So on to location 6. Alright, leaving location number 6. Sorry I haven't been filming a lot today inside. It's around lunchtime, so they've been pretty busy And these last ones that I went to haven't even been really anything special, literally. I'm just putting a couple things in each one because it's almost Christmas break and there's no point in filling it up and letting it just sit empty, or letting it just sit with no one around. So yeah, I'm not putting any pastries in because those will definitely expire. But on to location 7. Here we go. Alright, just got to location 8. Alright, that collection was pretty fat, a lot of ones. Here it is. Wait a minute. That's not it. Here it is. Nice stack of oneies. On to location, is it 9? Alright, I just left location number 9. I just pulled the fattest stack out of there. Look at that. That was just location number 9. Holy crap. 2 weeks. Absolutely killed it with ones. That might be the fattest stack of ones that I've collected. We'll have to see when I get home. I might go to one more location. That's gonna make 10. And then call it a day. Just got to location 10. Alright, here's the cash from location 10. All ones. Not too shabby. See you guys when we get home. I'm gonna count up the money. Comment your guesses on how much you think we made today off of 10 locations. Alright, so we just got home, went to Alyssa's house, and now we're gonna count up the money. We've got 10 bags in front of us. Alyssa's gonna help me count the money as always. Here's what the bags look like. Looking good. Comment your guesses on how much you think we made. And here's the first location. Alright, so location number 1 did $38.50 after about 2.5 weeks. Alright, location number 2 did $62.90 after about 2 weeks. Location number 3 made $48 flat after 1 week. What the heck? Literally? Okay, I'm counting, right? Look, just counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? I'm not even playing. There's literally a $20 bill. Did it think it was gonna give them change? There was no note on the machine or anything. I don't even know what to do. There's literally a $20 bill in the vending machine.
We were so excited when we saw a $5 bill.
Oh my god, yeah, we were so excited seeing a 5. I don't know what to say. I mean, $20, $20. I must have really wanted a snack. Alright, so that was really crazy. There's literally a 20 in the machine. What? So this was 36. If you count the 20, 46, 56, 57, 58, and this is 90 cents. 58.90, that's insane. Voice crack. But literally a $20 bill. Like, what? Like, I'm freaking mind blown. Like, I don't know, like what to say.
I feel bad though.
Yeah, I do feel bad. I'm definitely gonna ask. I'm gonna return it, because I feel bad. Like, it definitely didn't give them 20 credits, but like, so technically it's like 38. But still, it was pretty cool to see. All right, so location 1, 2, 3, 4. Location number 5 made 27 in ones, 37, 38, 39, 40, $41 flat after. This was a 2-week collection. Location number 6 made $34.01. Someone literally put a penny. A penny. Alright, location number 7 made $40.65. This is about 2-week collection. Alright, so location number 8, as you can see, this is a pretty nice stack of ones. $78 after 2 weeks. Two, three, four, five, six, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 77. Alright, so the fat stack and the coins all together, it did $87 after about 2 weeks.
Well, you already said it. Oh my god.
My eyes are up here. The last location, location number 10, made $40 flat, and there was no bills. So, and there was no coins. So now, as you guys can see the stack right here of just the ones, we're gonna give you guys the totals. I'll show them the coins too.
Alright.
Pretty good amount of coins also.
That one penny.
Can't forget about them. And guys, we got a freaking 20 in the machine. Like, what? Now, let's get you guys the totals. Alright, so today, ladies and gentlemen, for grand total, we off of 10 locations, $527.96. Alright, so here's the stack of money we collected today. All these ones, looking nice, looking nice. And then we got this 20. Whoop-pow! And then we got all the coins over here. Those coins, they add up. You cannot sleep on the coins. There's probably like 100, 150 bucks right there in coins. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much. We just hit 1,500 subscribers. This month of December has been absolutely insane. We've grown like 800 subscribers this month. Like, it's crazy. Yeah, the goal is 1,000 subscribers, and we hit 1,500 so far. And what's today? The 11th? So, do you guys think it's possible if we hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year? This would be absolutely insane. Like, if we hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year, I'll do a fat giveaway. That's right. So, yes, we love you guys so much. Peace.